Bartender Cookout is back again on August 16, 2025. If you don't remember the last cookout, but no go want miss this. The menu is now out, so people, it's time to choose your favorite meals. How to do so? Send us a DM at Xpressionzja on Instagram, or you can send us a WhatsApp at 1-876-504-8773.
Greetings ones and ones, viewers and subscribers, members. Guess what? We are here at San Souci for the BFF Expo, which is going to be at Harmony Beach on the 26th, and we are sponsors. So let's try to do this. See, and remember, on the 26th, make sure Sunday at Harmony Beach, because we're going to there. I dance on the place and we'll have some merchandise and sales, and now get to know a little bit more about Xpressionzja, not just the agency or bartender. We're not going to get to learn more about Xpressionzja production company. See it? Try it. Sean, number one scam cafe deal. Sean, I can dance to the people. Look how to see her.
I must kidnap me, I get kidnapped for dance to save my life. Wanna see how him always a trouble my door? Wanna can't tell him to leave me alone? Come on. We have to turn it the other way because that look cute. Him look good with my bag though. Yeah man, I might time for trouble him now.
It's a bad driver. Walk. People will search, but we'll never find it.
Back foot. Well, you know. What you find the place, man? No, not there.
They're on the pool side. Yeah. Pool side.
No, I'm not sure. We'll finally find it, guys. Whew.
Sign in. Check in, you know. We are together in one.
It's a pleasure to be here as a sponsor with all other sponsors, and we are ready and excited to start the networking. Ready?
Good morning. Nice to see you guys. You guys are looking really lovely, and it's my pleasure to have you guys here. And it's the first time some of us are meeting, some of us are having a little reunion. You know, it's a good look. We have the best people in the best places, and you are at the right place. You're not missing out on anything. But I'd like to apologize for the late start.
That's fine. Jamaicans always late. All when them start get ready early, they end up late. No sir. But you see, we started one look saying, you know, I'm late but I reach. Only need to stop it.
We should have had you here from 11 a.m. until 3. However, due to the fact that we have a large group, we have almost 200 people, and couples results was like, oh my god, we can't find so many people. And I'm like, what should I do? And they're like, I don't know. but they solved the problem. Let us give us a round of applause for Xpressionzja.
There's so many companies here and we are a part of the first batch. Plus, we're on time and ready to go. The man himself will be giving you some details on Xpressionzja production and the services we offer.
So we move on to Mr. Orville Hall from Xpressionzja.
Yeah, so Shelly, talk to her about a package so we can go and go. Everything else but swimming with the shark. That is stimulating. Yeah, she can say there are no stings, pet with snake. Greetings everyone. Yes, everybody know Orville the dancer, but this is now Xpressionzja production company. We have, because Shelly was standing over there because she said we don't talk. I didn't get to say some important things in the first presentation. So we're a production company. And I started this whole production company during COVID when I started filming things on my phone and uploading things to my YouTube channel. We have grown from 4,500 done subscribers to now we're at 151,000. And we see anywhere between 1.5 to 2 million views monthly. So we shoot our own content and everything is done. We have a series on it called, we started as the bartender, it's now called The Agency. It is literally the hottest YouTube series on YouTube, believe me. That comes out of Jamaica. Everything is shot on a phone, and I am now employing persons, teaching them how to shoot on the phone, how to edit on the phone, and how to upload. That is what is happening now. In relation to that, I am in dialogue with Heart as well, because this is the part I didn't talk about before. I have written a dancehall course outline that has been accredited by Heart and the City and Guilds. And we are already in dialogue with some hotels who want their staff to be trained and certified. We've started, or we've done about 3 cohorts, and the cohort that rests on my heart, the closest is the one that we did at the prison at South Camp Road in Kingston, and we're presently doing, Wow. So we're presently doing one now at Cardiff in St. Anne's Day. So this is something for the staff of the hotels, or if you just want to be certified as a dancehall dancer, that is the important part. It is a dancehall dance course, because they were talking about the Spanish people then taking over entertainment in Jamaica, and it is because of a lack of qualification here in Jamaica, especially with dancers. They use dancehall a lot. I can tell you, some of the Spanish people hire the local dancers to teach, and then get rid of them, and they're doing a complete dancehall show. We have a premiere show, Dance Xpressionzja have a premiere show called Dance Evolution, that we chronicle the evolution of the Jamaican music and dance from traditional folk form to present day. That is what we teach in the course, and that is what we present. We leave on the 1st of August, myself and my team, to represent Jamaica in Japan. We were in Korea earlier this year. And the rest of the world wants the course. It pained my heart when you hear white people talking more about dancehall and reggae than local people. So I'm going to have our local people educated about it. And all of these things are also a part of our YouTube channel. You can advertise with us. You can have us shoot your commercials, advertising our page. I paid 20 odd youngsters from inner cities from my YouTube page. And I didn't start out as a YouTuber. So we are doing great work. If you are doing your small business in your community, we have a Sunday night program that we do called Sunday Night Line. We will come to where you are, we will do a feature on your place and we will put it on the channel. You are exposed to 1.something million people on a monthly. That's basically. Thank you very much.
Stay tuned to see some exciting highlights of what took place on the big day at the Expo.